Hi, welcome back to the beach. We're on Olympic Hope Beach in Ravda. It's a really cool beach. The guys who run it are really friendly. There's like a free zone here where people can play sports and put down beach towels. Got like a kind of paid area over there, some nice bars to the side as well. And you've got like kind of, yeah, like it's 8 lev for like a sun lounger, but it's really cool, really nice beach. The guys are really friendly. We got the Air 2S out again. We had some problems trying to do it yesterday, so we're doing it again today. The issues were that there was some sort of issue with the battery and I just had to pull the clips out a little bit. Don't know why, but maybe the heat has made them contract a little bit, I don't know. So let's start recording. Start the recording and let's do a takeoff. Hopefully all good. Do you know, it hasn't done its famous sort of, let's just turn this way. I don't want to go too close to the people. So we go forward towards the camera. But basically, yeah, it won't go any further forward because it has obstacle avoidance sensors. But yeah, basically just give it a spin around the Air 2S. But yeah, we've had weird issues with this drone on the battery, just sort of like not wanting to kind of sit properly in there, and also sometimes when we start it up it's complained about the propellers. But anyway, I'm going to take it up. It hasn't done any of those things now, so let's take it up before it gets a beach ball, hit it. But let's hopefully we can see over the beach here, which is pretty cool. Let's have a good look. We're quite high up now. I don't think we're going to get any more grief from the from the beach boards. Yeah, it was a bit close. Someone kicked the beach ball across the beach. But yeah, the guys are okay with us being here, so we're allowed to be on the beach, so that's cool. So we probably will mostly stay off like shore a little bit, because you don't want to be too close to people. So just gonna have a look around and maybe try out a few features. But really we're on holiday, but we thought it would be a really nice place to show you on the camera. So we're just heading down the beach that way. But what I'm going to do is turn the drone round when we get down here a little bit, down the beach. And then show you back up the beach and show you Ravda. But yeah, it's a really nice place, really cool beach actually here. We're staying in a resort up the road called Aqua Paradise. We're going to do a little video on that, like kind of a family video, me, Rachel and Emily. So we're going to kind of do that as well. So we'll link to that. That'll be on a different channel. But yeah, not sure if you'll be interested in that, but if you are, we'll put a link anyway in the video. But yeah, we're coming back up the beach. There's a really cool bar over there. I don't think you can see it on camera, but we can probably show you from behind the bar when the drone comes back over again. But if I can just show you, it's a really cool, yeah, I really like this beach. Just looks really cool, and like Emily's had a lot of fun playing in the sand, and as you can see, look, a drone's come back over us now. But what I want to do is just take it down the beach a little bit, and then I'll kind of take a look back at this beach and just sort of show it. So I want to give credit to the guys who run the beach, because it's a really cool little beach and they've been really kind letting us fly the drone here and show you like how nice it is. So yeah, really nice, cool guys. I would have done this video yesterday, but we had the technical issues. But yeah, we've got them sorted now. Nice boat out there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, this is Ravda. So it's a really nice place. I reckon the signal's probably a bit, because I've got it pointed the wrong direction. But let's turn around, sort of give you a nice view of the beach there. But yeah, just don't want to go too far from where we are. But yeah, this drone can move. That's the thing with the Air 2S. It will move fast. It's pretty cool. So I just want to come back over this pier, and then what I want to do. So this is the beach. along. It's a big long stretch of beach. We've got like, you know, you got paid zones and free zones. It's really cool. You know, you get like kind of deck chairs if you're in the paid zone, but you can bring towels. There's areas that you can come to which are free, but they also have a really cool bar over there, which I'll show you in I'll add a video onto the end of this and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. We're getting a little bit of breakup in the FPV there, I think because of the angle I was holding everything at. But I just want to come in and show you the beach. Just want to show you the beach here, Olympic Hope Beach, which is really cool. And I want to try and do like a bit of a droney. I don't want to go too close to the beach, or maybe just a bit away from it. Let's see if we can just sort of do a droney away from the beach. We don't want to be too far over. We're probably not over it now. Always looks deceptive. So when you do a droney, you've got to come out of the recording. You've got to go into the sort of quick shots mode, which is down here. And we want a droney, and we're going to set it to, I don't know, maybe go 45 meters. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a box around the bar. And it will center on that bar. I can do a droney, basically. And droney is where you see people on a beach waving and going away. And I think this is the first time we've actually been on a beach and done a droney with it waving away. So that's a good thing. That's new to us. Normally we're just talking about people who are on a beach doing that. Nice motorbike behind us. But yeah, look, it's just going up, no problem. I tell you what, this is brilliant. We took the Femi out the other day, like in the same beach, and I just had so many problems with it. I just think it's so good, this drone, you know, the Air 2S and the Mini 2, they're both great drones. Right, so I wonder if we can sort of get a good view now that it's coming back in. We'll let it return and we will switch back into video. Let's have a look. So let's just switch back into the video, back into 5.4K, press record. And then what I want to try and do is I want to try and sweep over, and I'll probably want to come up a bit. I want to sweep over the bar area because it's just such a lovely bar area. I'm hoping that I can't really see the screen as well as the video we'll see in the final video, but I just want to show you this really cool sort of beach there. It's just well cool. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, it's all right that. But yeah, what a nice sort of sure, I don't want to go too high there. Yeah, it's looking well cool. So just want to show you over the beach. But yeah, looking really good. Really happy with the quality of the Air 2S. Just such a good drone. But yeah, we're just on a break really and wanted to show you some cool. We haven't done many videos for a little while just because we've been traveling and trying to get to places, and the weather just hasn't been 100%. But yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, it's looking good round Ravda. Definitely a nice place to visit, I would say. There we go, yeah. I just want to come back around. Let's have a look at some of the boats here. Oh, cool. But yeah, we're sort of like, we're not trying to go too high. Just want to sort of, don't want to get a really high shot, but we just want to have a quick look around and have some good shots of the place. But yeah, cool beach, really nice people, and you know, just a great atmosphere here. Everyone's having a good time. It's the summer, it's hot. Everyone's having a good time, so that's good. Some nice boats down there. There we go, right. Oh, someone, I think that's like, is that kite surfing, wind surfing or something? I'm not like a sea person, so that's not, I don't know what any of these things are, but I know that it looks good. All right, cool. Yeah, it's a really nice town, and I think that the Air 2S with its 1-inch sensor will do a really good job. And yeah, it's a shame the Femi just did such a poor job. And Mini 2 did a good job, of course, as always does. But But you know, I don't know, this Air 2S is a brilliant drone. Just amazing. Hang on, signal's bad. Right, anyway, I'm going to get it to return to home now. So let's see what we can do, see if I can get it to return to home. I certainly don't want to press land. Never understand why they give you 2 options there, just in case you make a mistake. So it should ascend, then return to home. We don't want to have the Air 2S out too much because it's a big drone, and to be honest with you, we don't want it like around the people too much on the beach, because we want to be careful of people around us and that sort of thing. So let's let it come back. I mean, we spoke to those girls over there and they were happy for us to be here, but we try to keep as far back from people as possible, because we don't want to, like, you know, we don't want to like hit anybody, because obviously this drone could hurt you if it hits you. Whereas something more akin to the Mini 2, you know, is probably a bit safer for this sort of environment. But let's just keep an eye on everything, make sure that no one's right by the drone pad when it loads. It should be coming back. Yeah, right, it's heading back now. This drone does have precision landing, unlike the Mini 2. I think if we ever see precision landing on a DJI drone, I think it's going to be on the Mini 3. It's probably not going to come to the Mini 2. I just can't see it. I know a lot of people think that the Fimi might push it, but I don't know. It has no sign of it yet. It may not be capable of it. Who knows? That's a challenge for DJI though. If it is capable, is it capable of it? Show us. Right, if you keep Emily back there, Rach, just making sure that there's no body around. We're looking good for it to land. I might have to manually land it because I don't want it to land on the sand. So sometimes it will get the precision landing wrong. Yeah, I don't think it was going to come down on it. So I think we just need to make sure that we don't want to. Yeah, that's pretty good. We're slightly off the pad, but not in any meaningful way. So that's pretty good. That's safe. Yeah, you don't want to be messing around too much, because, you know, we have to be careful with people about. So I think that's pretty good. That was a good little fly about there. I hope you liked the look of Ravda and the beach here. It's a really cool beach, actually. We're staying up in a like kind of all-inclusive resort further up, so of course, with it being all-inclusive, you're not going to come down to the beach so often, but it's definitely worth a visit to come down here and see the beach, because you've got some really cool bars over there. You've got like deck chairs, and people are, you know, this is the free zone that we're in, so you don't have to pay to come to this bit, but it's really good. There's kind of even a shower over there that I think that you can kind of go over and wash yourself or change in. I don't know. That's quite cool. But yeah, really cool. We'll do a video just like showing you around the beach. You know, if you're interested in watching that at the end. But yeah, thanks very much for, well, in fact, we'll tack that onto the end. But yeah, thanks very much for watching the drone part. You know, if you could subscribe, like, share to your friends, that'd be great. You know, you've been great as always. We really appreciate you taking the time to watch the videos. You know, it's great that you make the effort. I'm always surprised that people bother to watch these videos. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one. So we had a great time filming on Olympic Hope Beach in Ravda, which is in Bulgaria. Just thought I'd quickly show you around the beach before we sort of head off, because it's a really cool beach, and you probably didn't get to see it all from the drone video. You got like kind of really cool bar there, look at that, you know, like a really nice beach bar with like kind of, I don't know if they're like sunbeds, like mattress sunbeds with pillows. You can almost sleep outside there, I think, in this sort of heat at the moment. Got somebody up on a sort of balloon in the distance there. Like, I guess they're like windsurfing or kite, I don't know what you call it, windsurfing probably. You've got some girls playing volleyball on the beach over there and keepy ups. There's a volleyball court. You got a really cool, in fact I'll give them their ball back again. But yeah, basically you've got like a cool bar over that way as well. There's like we're kind of in the free zone at the moment, where you can just put down your sort of your parasols and your sort of towels and have a nice day at the beach. It's kind of like a little cove beach with like kind of rock protecting it there, protecting you from like kind of waves, I guess. And then over there you've got kind of the paid part of the beach, which is like, yeah, so that's like the paid zone, and you've got like the kind of seafront of Ravda going along. So yeah, Olympic Hope Beach, pretty cool. Nice bars, and I'm guessing restaurants as well. Just over there I think there's some restaurants and cafes, and you know, and I don't know if the bars themselves do food, but they probably do lots of good things like ice cream and cocktails and stuff like that. Rachel and Em's there. They've been having fun in the sea, I think, while I've been doing the video. Is that right?
Yeah, she's been in the sea.
Yeah, you've been on the, yeah.
Well.
Is it? Yeah, I tell you, yeah. We're staying at an all-inclusive resort up the road. And yeah, as the day goes on, the pool just feels really warm. It's not heated or anything, but yeah, like we're not actually staying down here on the seafront, but we're staying up in a all-inclusive resort up that way. It's about 5 minutes walk really. So if you're staying at that resort, which is Aqua Paradise, it's well worth taking a walk down here. If you're, you know, just like in the area, it's well worth popping down to this beach. I mean, it's such a nice beach. So yeah, you know, really thankful to the guys as well for letting us fly the drones here. We had a chat with them as we came onto the beach, and they were like, yeah, no problem. Yeah, so it's really cool. I mean, nice bar, nice music in the background as well. We could be on MTV probably instead of YouTube, but I don't think they'll let us. I don't think we'll get that gig. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I really like it. But yeah, we're gonna have to head back to the hotel now. So thanks very much for watching. We really appreciate you watching. If you could like the video, that'd be great. If you could subscribe to the channel, that'd be brilliant. If you could share to your friends as well, that'd be excellent. So thanks very much for watching. Really appreciate it. You know, we really appreciate that you watch these videos. So thank you very much for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.